All right, delegation. It might sound like an intimidating term, but really delegation just means how do I have multiple agents work together and hand things off? So really it's just delegation allows handoffs. And this is uses our talk with other Lindy trigger and actions. And these are the actions and triggers that allow handoffs between multiple Lindys and multiple agents. For these to work, there's really just two key steps. It's not that hard. There's a trigger. So a trigger is like a message received talk with Lindy, so like agent message received. And there's also an action like send message. So it's like really those two steps. So very similar to the chat with Lindy trigger and actions that we've covered previously. For these, really it's just like you need an action with a trigger that has the option to receive a message from another Lindy, and then you need another agent that has the ability to send a message, and then they just work hand in hand. And with these, like I think the best practice is like use specific prompts. So kind of like what we talked about with like managing context previously, or like looping, the same way like memory kind of stays within scope. We really need the agents, like you need to be specific about what you want to hand off and why, so the agent can carry on with its task to the best of the ability. And so what does this look like in platform? I'm going to show you guys real quick. So these are the two actions. So this trigger, agent message received. You can see if you have this right here, you're pretty much just allowing that Lindy to be discoverable by the agent, the talk with other Lindy send message action. So if you put this in any message, it operates just like a chat message received, except Lindy, different agents actually sending the message instead of you sending the message yourself. And then this send message action is what allows you to send the message to the trigger. So like any of this talk with other Lindy action, you can see you can select different agents with it enabled. In this case, let's put kind of Flo's Lindy bot as a test, but this could send a message to any Lindy with this trigger, and they can work hand in hand. And then these are discoverable. Kind of if you just kind of right click and you click trigger action, they're also by Lindy. And over here you can click on, I think, talk with other agents down by Lindy, and you'll see the send message action, and the same exact process for the triggers.